the seas while I was sleeping, and the vision that was blended.